These three examples contain some common mistakes that students make in algebra. Okay, you can see example 1, example 2 and example 3. The questions are, what is the error in each example? Then question B, what is the correct answer? So we need to find out the error and we have to write the correct answer also. Okay, so I will give you one tip. So if you finish one exam, always collect your answer paper and identify your mistake. So whatever mistake you have done, identify why I did like that and make sure you are not repeating the mistake. Then only you can improve in math. Okay, so yeah, that's all about the tip. Then here, what is the error in each example? So what is the error? So you can see a bracket here. Okay, so this bracket, if you have some sign or some numbers directly outside the bracket, that means here it is minus. So the minus is for x, and also we have to give the minus for -2. So what happens? So we have 3x, minus of x will become minus x, then minus of -2 will become plus 2. So the answer is here the mistake is here. Okay, it is not -2, it will become plus 2. So you can simplify this one, 3x minus x. From 3x we are subtracting 1x. So 3x minus 1x is 2x. So the answer will be 2x plus 2. This is the simplified answer. Moving to the next example, multiplying fractions. So multiplying fractions, see here, normal fraction. How we will multiply the normal fraction? Suppose if you have 1 over 2 and 3 over 4. Okay, if you are multiplying these two. So if you are multiplying fraction, we have to multiply the numerator and we have to multiply the denominator. So here 1 times 3 will become 3, then 2 times 4 will become 8. So 3 over 8 is the answer. In the same way, here what we have 3 and in bracket x plus 4 over 5. Here also there is no plus or minus here. That means these two we are multiplying. So multiplying 3 is same as 3 over 1. Okay, so 3 is same as 3 over 1. Then when you multiply, you have to multiply the numerator. So what happens if you multiply the numerator? So we'll get 3 times x plus 4, then 1 times 5 divided by 1 times 5. Okay, so you will get 3 times, as we did in the previous question. The number is outside the bracket, there is no sign here, so that means it is multiplication. So 3 times x is same as 3x, 3 times 4 is same as 12. So plus 12 over 1 times 5 is 5. So what is the mistake here? They multiplied 3 both to the numerator and denominator. That is wrong. Only we have to multiply with the numerator. Directly you can multiply. No need to write divided by 1 and all. This is I wrote for you to understand it. Okay. So only multiply with the numerator. So the mistake is this 15 and the correct answer is 3x plus 12 over 5. Okay. So we will move to the last question. So here, this is the mistake commonly almost all of you will think and do. So be very very careful. You cannot cancel this 2 and 2. If you cancel this 2 and 2, you will get x. That's what the mistake here. Okay, so don't cancel the 2. So what is the answer is, either you can write x plus 2 over 2 itself. This is the final answer. Otherwise you can do in one more way, like 2 you can give to both of them. Okay, I will write here. So the 2 you can divide. The question is x plus 2 over 2. So we can split the 2 to both of them. So you will get x over 2 plus 2 over 2. Okay, x over 2 you cannot change anything, so write x over 2. 2 over 2 will become plus 1. I hope it's clear for you. So either you can write like this. This is also correct. This is in the simplest form. You cannot do it anything further. The thing you can do it further is only this one. Okay, so the question number 3 is over.